Hello, beautiful, and welcome to makeup. That kind of hurt my face. Today we are in for a wild ride because today I decided that I wanted to do like a high fashion kind of runway model look, but when I did my research into it, every single one of them looks the same. Every single one of them has this kind of like aesthetic trash going on. I don't know how to explain it except for like aesthetic trash. So we're just gonna do that. Of course, I've got to cover up all of the sin of my face, including that big boy over there. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Just that glorious, glorious piece of trash that was on my forehead. Of course I get it there. Of all the places I could get a pimple, of course it has to be in the middle of my forehead. It was so glorious. Everyone had to see it. It was... And then I popped it, like sprayed on the mirror. I was like, oh, I better clean that up before anyone notices. And now I'm admitting it on camera because... transparency. Today I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Wide palette given to me by the amazing, beautiful Crystal. Thank you so much, baby cakes. I just want to use this palette because of all of the glorious colors. I feel as though she's really gonna get across what I want to do with this makeup look, because even though she's gonna look like trash, she's gonna look like beautiful, glorious, fashionable trash. Right? We'll see. The way that I'm gonna do this is pretty much like finger paint on my face, but with brushes. We really need to go for something that's bright, that is told that it shouldn't be around the immediate eye area, so I'm gonna go for slow burn. Ew! We're just gonna put this glorious like red kind of, oh damn. She's a lot. I'm literally just gonna get this, close my eye and just start like pressing. Do I have any method to the madness today? No. Which isn't too different from usual, but also like whatever, we're just having fun. Makeup is all about the fun. Makeup is all just about enjoying yourself. If you want to look like a beautiful hot potato, look like a beautiful hot potato. I will be there as your hype girl in the background being like, look at my baby cakes go! I just want to see everyone living their best life, and if their best life is to look like a glorious hot potato, do it. Let's go with fluorescent, this beautiful like teal color. I'm just gonna really pack this on the inner section of my eye and just make sure that color is like really, really there. I want people to be like, damn, that blending, she doesn't exist. Because we on a fashion runway. We on a high fashion runway. And don't worry, at the end of this, I'm gonna be taking a photo and you're gonna be like, damn, that probably would be on the cover of Vogue, wouldn't it? And maybe like, uh-huh. Because it's high fashion. We'll put this beautiful purple. I'm just flipping the brush over. Shock. Ooh. Shock horror is about to be my face. And then we're just gonna put this amazing purple. Ooh, that's a really cute purple. In the same spots that we put that blue. Gucci, where you at? Why aren't you calling me? I'm fabulous. I'm amazing. Some chaos. Yes, we love a bit of chaos over here. We love a bit of chaos on my channel. And we're just gonna put that like over here. And we're just gonna like kind of spread this out. I need more colors. Ooh, NYX Ultimate, yes! This is also gifted to me by the amazing Crystal. Thank you so much. I'm so lucky to have every single one of you guys. My heart is always filled with warms and fuzzies. So I'm just gonna get this like beautiful yellow color. I'm gonna get the yellow color. What are you called? You don't have names. That's fine. There's a car horn going on. You too. I'm just gonna get this beautiful yellow color. And then I'm just gonna put that on my nose. I want to have a yellow nose. I don't know why, but everything is telling me that I need to have a beautiful yellow nose. Rudolph wishes he could, but then he realizes that he's just not fabulous enough to have a yellow nose. He's just stuck with having a red nose, whereas yellow is where it is at. Ooh, let's use some of this orange, yes. Make sure it makes no sense. Sense is not the goal here. Oh, let's bring it up into my contour. Amazing. Only one side of my nose is gonna have contour. It's gonna look like my dog peed on my face. Everything's great. High fashion. I wanna add some shapes back into my face so that I do have like some lines and stuff. Let's go for this beautiful savage color. Pink, yes. We love a cute bit of, oh, yes! I love that. Okay, fish face. Glorious. Absolutely glorious. Let's just put some dark blue, some of that chaos under my chin. I can buff that out. I feel as though this look needs some glitter, so we're just gonna go with this Steeler glitter that I've had forever and I feel as though is getting really, really crusty. So we're just gonna put some glitter kind of everywhere and then use our finger to smudge it out. Let's put some on my temple. I need a glittery temple today. There's a bird outside. No, that's not right. I think I scared him. Damn, she is looking. Oh! Oh, Do I really want to be using this on my face? Like we're going to, but is it a good idea? I don't think so. I started off this tutorial like having a plan, having a brain. Are you there? Hello. I started this tutorial with a process. I still don't think that's the right word. Oh, clean brush. Whoops, could have used you before. Where's my brow brush? Oh, there it is. I had like a process before. That like quickly went out the window. It was just kind of like Scott Pilgrim in that scene with that girl when she wanted to. I feel as though my brain just went, no. I'm gonna do my brows, so I'm just gonna try and fill them in and make them as fluffy duffy as possible. I want them bad boys to be thick with like 12 C's. I want Cara Delevingne to be jealous of my brows. I want her to call me being like, babes, how did you do your brows like that? And maybe like, I can teach you. And then our brows can meet, and then that would just be the most glorious day ever. I feel as though that might be the first sign of the apocalypse though. So like, maybe let's not do that in 2020. We just want to spike them bad boys up because I want them to look like fluffy duffy caterpillars. I want them to look so thick that people are just like, when'd you get a pet caterpillar? Maybe I'm like, well, I don't, because my scorpion would probably eat it. And I don't want to kill a cute little caterpillar that could have been a butterfly. And then because old habits die hard, I'm just gonna highlight my inner corner and underneath my brow just to make them look bigger, fluffier, duffier. And also because I want to. Yeah! While we're here, let's just highlight the top of my nose. This has pink on it, but let's highlight my cheeks while we're here as well. Ah! And then for my upper lip, a duck face. Oh! We're just gonna go on with some of the last steps. So some of the last steps is I gotta put in a bit of my natural beauty. Because even though high fashion likes to add a lot to your natural beauty, it's still like, it likes to highlight stuff. So if someone naturally has freckles, they like to put that back in because like you got to make sure that there is a lot. But like where I would usually have only a few freckles, we are making sure that we have the most freckles. I need to be so freckly, it is crazy. I need to look like I've just gone out in the sun for the first time in 10 years. I don't really leave the house, I'm not gonna lie. And then maybe I can convince people that that big pimple on my forehead is a freckle. Now that all the beautiful colors and all the freckles are on, we are just gonna go in with my lashes. Ooh, brace yourself, brace yourself. I know you can do it. We're not putting on eye feathers. Please, please, please. I'm sorry, I beg for forgiveness. I know what I want this to look like, and eye feathers, they're gonna take away from it. So I can't. I'm sorry. We can't do eye feathers. No eye feathers today, but we're still gonna use our guillotine and we're still gonna use our mascara. So we're just gonna clampy the lashes to curl them up, but not behead them like Anne Boleyn, not behead them like Marie Antoinette. Marie Antoinette? I think I've said that before. I'm getting some mad deja vu. I think I've asked myself if Marie Antoinette got beheaded. I don't remember. But we're just gonna put on some mascara just to give some length. So there's a lot easy ways to do this, and I have no idea if this is gonna work, but we're gonna try anyway. So I'm already regretting this decision. I'm gonna get this small brush, and I'm gonna get this beautiful, like, let's go to shimmer. This beautiful shimmery color in the like NYX Ultimate Color Palette that was given to me by the amazing Crystal. And we're just gonna get this on a brush and we're gonna see if we can add some color to the mascara. She is kind of working. Amazing. Would I recommend this? No. Definitely just get yourself some colorful mascara. Don't be an idiot like me because this could go very, very badly. We are up to the last step of the makeup, and that is the lipstick. So, because I really want to go for something subtle, we're gonna go in with this beautiful red color sent to me by the amazing Monique, and we are just gonna pop this bad boy on, and then we're gonna ruin it because we can't have this looking and then this looking like ooh. So we have to like just slap that bad boy on, and then we'll just go for gold. I heart you, it is a tiredness. I just know the closed captions are gonna be like inaudible. So we're gonna get a random brush. We're gonna get this beautiful slow burn color, and we're just gonna. Perfect! We look a little bit unhinged. We look a little bit unhinged. It's gonna work out though. It's gonna look fine. The last thing to do is like, the makeup just isn't enough. We have to make everything look high fashion for this. So, taking out the bobby pins, releasing the baby mullet from its beautiful prison. Oh, there's a lot of bobby pins in it today. Ow! We have to tease this for dear life. We want fluffy duffy brows. We've got to have some fluffy duffy hair as well. So, brace yourself with some detangler because this is gonna take a lot to get out. Let's go. I could totally do your ventriloquist. No, I can't. That failed. Well, I tried. Hair. I am so incredibly sorry, but this is We just gotta do it. Oh, I'm gonna regret this. The last time I did something like this was when I tried to balayage my hair. I went to a professional. Oh, no. Oh, I swear it's gonna work out. I swear it's gonna work out. I swear it's gonna work. It's gonna be fine. 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 It's gonna be. When you think you've gone far enough, go a little bit more. I'm kind of ashamed of myself, and it's rare that I'm ashamed of myself. But just keep going. Just keep going. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to comb this out. We are looking perfect. Okay, so I've just slipped into a different shirt off camera. That way I can really get the full aesthetic going on. So I'm changing my earrings. Literally with this kind of stuff, bigger the better. It's what you want. I have some purple trash bags. Not too tight that you suffocate though. Here's where the magic comes in. Editing. Okay, so the aim of the game is to be like trash fashion. Okay, so then I've just got to get a really good photo. If we angle her up, we've got the photo. Okay, so then we're just gonna start editing this bad boy to absolute filth. This is the finished product of the photo, and please tell me if I'm wrong, but I feel as though at one point or another Vogue definitely has or will put like a cover looking like this. She's just so beautiful and yet so ugly, and I love it so much. Brother! He has not seen my face yet. Brother! You look so concerned.
I don't know why, but like it actually does kind of look like, you know, you're walking down the runway and you will see something like that and you're like, yeah, alright.
Wait, let me show you the Vogue photo, because I like took a photo, I edited it to absolute filth. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Actually, yeah.
Am I wrong though?
Honestly, you're not wrong.
Now that the makeup is on and it pretty accurately reflects my mental state at the moment. When I laugh, it looks worse. Oh my gosh. But now that the makeup is on, the photo is done and the photo is edited, and because I'm a legitimate beauty goddess on YouTube, there's only one thing left to do, and that is a slow-mos. Boom. Now that the makeup is done, sexy slow-mos are done. Ooh, and my neck can now breathe. That is it for today's video, which always makes me sad because I don't like saying goodbye. I don't like saying goodbye because all of you are so amazing and I don't want to do it. 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 But the benefits of me saying goodbye now means that I get to go work on other videos, which means that I can see you guys as soon as possible. But before I do head off and before I do say goodbye, I need to say something super duper important to every single one of you. And it doesn't matter if you've been here for months, years, or even a day, or even if this is your first video, there's still something super duper important that I need for all of you to know. So maybe have a seat, get all rugged up, get cute and cozy, and listen to every single word that I say because it is of the utmost importance. Is that a word? Sure. Let's just have a cute little intimate moment, shall we? Today I look a little bit more like then oh my god. That's amazing. But today I understand that I look a little bit crazier than usual, but still the same kind of importancy on what I'm about to say, and that is that you are perfect in every single shape, way, and form. You are beautiful, you are magnificent, you are intelligent, you are amazing, you're just incredible in every single shape, way, and form. And I know this on a personal level. I know this firsthand because every single one of you has just, you've opened my eyes to the beauty of the world. You show me all of the happy things, all of the amazing things that I didn't realize that I was missing until I met every single one of you. My life has been forever changed and forever better for knowing every single one of you and knowing your beauty and knowing your perfection and just knowing you, because you are everything that is good in the world. You are everything that is perfect in the world. But I am one of the lucky ones, Because I know that there are people out there, and I still don't really understand it, but there are people out there who don't know your beauty, who don't know your perfection, who just don't know how amazing you are. And they go about their life in blissful ignorance, and I don't understand how it's blissful, because like, how can your life be blissful if you do not understand true happiness? Like, it doesn't make sense in my little noggin. It doesn't make sense. To have happiness, you have to know your perfection. They don't have that, so how is it blissful? Right? It just doesn't make sense. So somehow they're out there in the world living in blissful ignorance, and it doesn't make sense to me because they need to know your perfection in order to be happy. So I need for every single one of you to do me a huge favor, but I know that you are stunning enough that you can make it happen. So I need you to go out there into the world and show them your perfection. Show them your beauty, your intelligence, your magnificence, your amazingness, your incredibleness, just everything about you. They need to know so that their lives can finally have meaning, because at the moment, blissful ignorance, no. Their lives have no meaning. Their lives are just doo-doo, obsolete, scum on the bottom of my shoe kind of lives. Their lives have no meaning unless they know you. So you need to go out into the world and give their lives meaning. And while you're out there, don't forget what your mother always says. If you can't say something nice, say something cruel.